Hello everyone, I'm here in the Blue Center for Water Technologies at our wastewater treatment plant, and right here is the Primary Clarifier. And what I'm going to do is, we can see that the sludge settles to the bottom of the tank, and as part of our solids handling, I'm going to be removing a sample from our sampling port so that we can do some work with the sludge. Okay, one of the ways that we use sludge collection systems is there's usually a device at the bottom of the clarifier that will move the sludge towards this. Let me see if I can get it so that we can see the center, towards the center of the clarifier. And so I'm going to be using this squeegee, and it's actually the systems on the tanks have rake arms that go around with squeegees, and they move the sludge towards the center of the tank. So what I'm going to do is move it here and move the sludge towards the center of the tank, where it then will be taken out. And we want to do this carefully so we don't disturb a lot of the sludge and stir it up into the tank. And you'll see that there are some bubbles that have come up. Those are bubbles of gas that are developing inside the sludge. As it becomes anaerobic in some of the areas, what happens is the bacteria then from the they'll take the material that's in there and break it down to grasp the oxygen, and then they'll release some of the gas that's in there, and that's what you see rising. So now I'm going to collect the sample right here, and we'll do it slowly. And there you can see the sludge coming out from the bottom of the tank. And once it starts getting thin like that, then we want to shut that off. And we want to move more of the sludge towards the center. Okay. Okay, we'll let that settle for a little bit. And you can see pieces of sludge that have risen in the tank, That's called rising sludge. And this can be a large occurrence in a primary clarifier if the sludge is not removed on a relatively regular basis. So let's get some more here. And we got some more sludge coming out. Okay, I'm going to stop that there. So we can move that sludge out. Now you see we have about 600 milliliters of sludge. And what we're going to do now, what the sludge would typically have done at this point is it would leave the primary clarifier and it would go to some type of thickening device where it allows the sludge to settle more so that it can get a higher concentration of solids. So when we're treating the sludge, we're treating less water. So I'm going to stop that now and then let this settle.